Your learning target for this reading lesson is I can ask questions to find something out. Are you ready? Let's go. We know that we ask questions when we are trying to figure something out. But did you know that there are 5 words that usually start a question? These words are who, such as who is your mom? What, such as what is your favorite color? Where, such as where is my dog? When, such as when is it lunchtime? And why, such as why is the sky blue? These 5 words mean that somebody is asking a question. They are trying to figure something out. Today in reading, we're going to play a little game. We are going to listen to different adults be interviewed. An interview is set up with questions and answers. But here's the fun part of this lesson. I want you to listen to each question and each of the adults' answers to try to figure out the kinds of jobs they do. Once again, in order to be really successful at this game, you'll really need to listen carefully to where the grown-ups work and what they do. Are you ready to play? All right, listen closely. Where do you work? I work in a hospital. What do you do each day? I help people who are sick. How do you help them? Well, I use what I know about the body to help them get well. All right, kindergarteners, who do you think this adult is? Who do you think? What job do you think they have? If you said that her job was a doctor, you are correct. Let's do another one.
Where do you work? I work outside all day. What do you do? I deliver things. What do you deliver? I deliver letters and packages.
All right, kindergarten. Did you listen close? Do you know what job this person has? If you said this gentleman was a mail carrier or a mailman, you are correct. Ready to play again? Hi, where do you work? I work in an office. What do you do? I take care of animals. Okay, kindergarten. This interviewee said that she works in an office and that she works with animals. Can you guess her job? If you said this woman was a vet, you did a fabulous job listening. Let's try one more.
Say, where do you work? I work in a restaurant. What do you do there? I work in a kitchen.
What exactly do you do in the kitchen?
Well, I make the food that the customers eat.
All right, kindergarten, this is the last one. What job do you think this gentleman has? If you said that he is a cook, I want you to pat yourself on the back. You are correct. Remember, we ask questions to try to figure something out, to understand. In this case, we were trying to understand what jobs these adults have. Thanks for listening. Bye.